The Marionberry, Rubus L. Marion, is a premium blackberry cultivar developed in Oregon, USA, celebrated for its sweet tart flavor, deep purple-black color, and prominence in gourmet desserts. Often called the Cadillac of blackberries, Marionberries combine agricultural innovation, culinary versatility, and nutritional benefits, making them a modern fruit icon. Marionberry, Rubus L. Marion, is a hybrid blackberry cultivar developed in 1956 by Oregon State University's berry breeding program. It is a cross between the Chehalem and Oliveri cultivars, combining traits of flavor, size, and disease resistance. The plant is a trailing, perennial bramble that thrives in temperate climates with well-drained soils, moderate rainfall, and full sun exposure. Marionberry vines can grow several meters long, supported by trellises or natural structures, producing abundant clusters of berries each season. The fruit itself is large, firm, and glossy, ranging from deep maroon to near black when fully ripe. Its flavor is sweet with a complex tang, slightly wine-like, making it ideal for fresh consumption, baking, preserves, sauces, and beverages. Marionberries are rich in anthocyanins, dietary fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, contributing to heart health, immune support, and overall wellness. The berries also contain phenolic compounds that have been studied for anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Historically, Marionberries were developed to address the need for a high-yielding, flavorful blackberry suitable for both commercial and home production in the Pacific Northwest. The cultivar quickly gained popularity due to its superior flavor, larger size, and excellent processing characteristics. Oregon remains the primary production hub, with Marionberries contributing significantly to local agricultural economies, especially in specialty berry markets and artisanal food production. Botanically, Marionberry vines flower in late spring, producing small white blossoms that attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies. Fruit develops over 50 to 60 days after flowering, ripening from mid-July through August, depending on climate and care. The plant benefits from regular pruning, mulching, and trellis support to maximize fruit yield and prevent disease. Pests such as aphids, spider mites, and fungal infections require careful management, often through integrated pest management practices. Culinary uses are extensive. Marionberries are enjoyed fresh, in pies, tarts, muffins, jams, jellies, syrups, sauces, smoothies, and wines. Their robust flavor profile makes them a staple in gourmet desserts and a favorite among chefs, home cooks, and artisanal producers. Marionberries also play a role in agritourism, with berry picking festivals attracting locals and tourists to Oregon farms each summer. Ecologically, Marionberry plants support pollinators and other beneficial insects. Their perennial nature allows for soil stabilization, and the dense thickets provide habitat for small mammals and birds. Sustainable cultivation practices ensure long-term soil fertility, reduce chemical use, and maintain biodiversity within berry farms and surrounding ecosystems. Culturally, Marionberries symbolize modern agricultural ingenuity and regional identity. Oregon celebrates the fruit annually with festivals, recipes, and educational programs highlighting its cultivation and culinary applications. The fruit's rarity outside the Pacific Northwest enhances its perceived value, making it a sought-after ingredient for premium products worldwide. In essence, Marionberry is not just a blackberry, it is a triumph of breeding, flavor, nutrition, and cultural pride. Its sweet tart complexity, health benefits, and iconic status in American agriculture make it a standout among berries and a favorite for enthusiasts and gourmets alike.